to my channel. I'm Caroline, and today I'm serving you my summer everyday glam. And it's a super, natural, go to the groceries type of look, pick up the kids from school type of look, go walk the dog type of look, meet the boyfriend's parents for the first time type of look. That's the vibes I'm going for today. And I did this very nice kind of brownie mauvey look, and I paired it with this liner just to give it a little bit more of a pop. I hope you guys like this video, and before we begin, remember to subscribe to my channel. The button should be right chia, and like this video, and let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. So I have my face nicely and freshly washed. So I'm starting off with my Dr.Brant luminizing primer, and I'm just going to be applying that everywhere on my face. Now with my Cover FX illuminating setting spray, I'm just adding this to give myself that extra summer glow, because I want this look to be nice and dewy, glowy and beautiful. And I had to be extra with my little fan just to fan it off, and you can really see that glow in my face. So now I'm using the Loreal True Match Lumi Foundation in the shade W4. And remember that all the products that I use in this video will be in my description box. And with this ColourPop brush, I'm just going to be applying that to my face, but I will be blending it out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. And now I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Atrium Wine Concealer in the shade Light with just this flat top concealer brush, and it did not want to come out. I had to turn it a couple of times. And this shade you're gonna see is way too light for me right now, because I'm a little burnt, extra tan this summertime, but I will be applying another concealer just to tone it down. So now using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to be darkening up that light concealer because it is too light. And this is in the shade Medium. Now using my Kat Von D loose setting powder, I'm going to be setting my under eyes with this Morphe brush. So now I'm picking up the Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm and applying that to my face. And I'm using this big old Morphe E42 brush because I want my face to be nice and bronzy. I want that summer bronzy glowy look for today. And that's what I love to wear, like when I go out in the summertime. It looks really nice when the sun is hitting you. Now it's time for some blush, and I'm using this pretty vulgar blush. It's called 18 Hush Blush, and I love it because it's like a pinky mauve blush, and I love how it looks on my cheeks. Now for the star of the show, I'm using this Luxie brush to apply this beautiful highlighter from the Balm. It's called Mary-luminizer. And you're gonna see the impact that it has on my cheeks. Look. I even had to make a face because the highlight is popping. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Total Temptation Brow Definer brush in 315 Deep Brown. Now I'm using my favorite everyday palette, the Tartelet in Bloom palette. And when I say everyday, I mean every day I put on makeup and I want like a natural soft look. This is what I use. It's perfect because it has those nice pinky brownie shades, and I'm picking up that shade Rebel, and it's like a mid-tone mauvey pinkish tone. In this color, I'm applying it as my transition shade. Now going back to my bronzer, I just want to deepen up the eyes a little bit more, but I don't want to use too light of a color or too dark of a color, so this one works perfectly. Now using my Morphe N433 brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Leader and applying that to my outer corner just to deepen up the look even more. On the eyelid itself, I'm going to be picking up the shade Sweetheart and just lightening up that area there because I want to keep the darkness in the outer corner and keep the inner corner nice and light. Now using this Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Liner, I'm going to be doing a cat eye, and I do not recommend this liner. It was very difficult to work with and it was very stiff too. Like, it took me a minute to get this cat eye when it could have taken me seconds. I prefer a brush tip instead of this, but it did the job. But it was just very difficult to work with. And when I did this eyeliner, I kind of did a big wing and I wiped some of it off because I wanted to have a smaller wing. And now I'm applying this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And for my lips, I'm using the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Gloss in the shade 62 Charmer. To get that final glow, I'm going back to my Cover FX Illuminating Spray and just spritz in my face one more time. So this is my final glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love doing this look for, you know, when I'm going out on those hot summer days. You want to look super dewy, super smooth, super nice. Make it seem like you put a lot of effort in it, but then you didn't. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And I'll see you in my next one.